we are driving to Black Lake, which is somewhere far away from Prague, in 2 hours of drive, and it's New Year's Eve, so we decided that what else we can do during the lockdown rather than just driving to nature. Maybe we can see some snow. Hopefully, so far no sign of it, but we're hoping, and we'll keep you updated about the progress. I thought to give some more information about this lake, so Black Lake or Černé Jezero in Czech language. This lake is the biggest, country's biggest natural lake, and we can't reach there by car. We can only drive there, but then we will need to hike up to see the lake, and we will follow the yellow trail, and we are starting from Špičácké sedlo. Sorry for my Czech. So yeah, that's the plan so far, and we'll see how it goes. If you want to know more information, you can just check the description below. I think we have it. And we are seeing some snow here. Yay! Or whatever is left. So we're almost there. We have 10 minutes left, and obviously now you can clearly see some snow. So we reached the beginning of the hike, and you see this is the parking area here. You can park, and then from there you have this amazing hike. So let's start. And almost after 1 kilometer of hiking / walking, we found this very cute stream of water, and this is the view. And it goes down. Yeah. So if you forgot your bottle of water, don't worry. So we just reached the mark of Czerné Jezero and only 0.5 kilometers left. So almost there. Yay. So guys, we officially reached the main destination, which is Black Lake, and here is the view. It's really pretty. Obviously it's super cold because it's windy, but the view and the blue sky, I don't know if you can see, let me turn the camera. The view of the sky, the sun in the background. Everyone is here also taking pictures. It's really nice. Definitely worth it, and I'm pretty sure it's even nicer in spring or summer. And if you have your sleds, definitely bring them. It's a lot of fun. And the hike was super easy. It took like maybe 40 minutes, 45, but just definitely worth it. Super cool, super cold, at least right now, but it's very refreshing. If you want to go from here to the Devil's Lake, there is a signage here. And I'm gonna show it right now. So it's easy. It shouldn't take much time to go from here to Čertovo Jezero.